Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can fix FiveM Error adhesive.dll. Now, this problem right here doesn't have any answers right off the bat, but you can go ahead and try a couple of methods in order to fix this problem, and the last one will surely go ahead and help you fix this. So before we head over to the final step, which is the most tedious one, let's then head over to the ones that we can do first. Basically, the first thing that we can do is to clear the FiveM cache. To do that, you can then head over to the run application, type %appdata%, and then you want to head over to the local option or folder. In here, you then want to look for FiveM, and you will be able to see a folder called crashes and game. You then want to simply delete that, and that might help you fix the problem. Basically, if you have any third-party overlays, like something like maybe the Microsoft Afterburner or the Riva tuner or something like the NVIDIA settings or something like Discord that simply pops up on your game like an overlay, you want to go ahead and disable that, because it might be interacting with the FiveM's adhesive.dll and anti-cheat. This might once again include Discord overlays, NVIDIA, or even a screen recorder or FPS counter. Now, if all of the mentioned fixes doesn't work, one way that you can go ahead and do to fix this problem is to basically reinstall your Windows. I know it's tedious, but as of the moment, that is the only fix that we have in order for you to resolve this specific problem that keeps happening when you launch or play FiveM. Now, this mainly works for Windows 11, but for Windows 10, I'm not sure. So if you're experiencing this a lot on Windows 11, you then want to reinstall your Windows, and from there, this will surely help you fix the problem based on GitHub and the forums of FiveM. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.